sonero, and welcome to the dance snacking, quick snack, dance snacking. You just want to take a little bit of chips, a little bit of grapes, you're looking during the party, and you want to bite a bit, fill up your belly, and be very, very happy. Yeah? So today we're going to do the same, and it's going to be in connection to dance, which means today's topic is Kizomba history. So we're going to learn a little bit about the history and how did it all begin. So to start with, the word Kizomba means party. It comes from a local dialect from the Bantu tribes of that region of Africa. It's quite a big region, many tribes, but one of the languages is called Kimbundu. So Kimbundu and the word Kizomba, which means party, comes from there. Now, the word Kizomba first started to be used as a maybe definition of the music. What happened in the 80s with Eduardo Paim, 83, 84, because of course that word was existing before. In when you say, hey, I go to the party, I say, hey, na Kizomba, Kizombada. So if you want to explain that it means party, the gathering of friends, of family, where you're going to probably eat, dance, drink, and have fun. So this word was used before, but in the 80s, beginning of 80s, Eduardo Paim and his band in that moment, they started using this word to describe the style or the feeling, the groove they had in their music. And this really changed the course of history, because nowadays Kizomba is everywhere. Music, the dance. And it's something that's very common to hear in our ears, and it's very beautiful what happened from that moment until now. Speaking of that moment, Kizomba itself, and now I speak about the music, was a blend of different musical styles, a blend of a lot of influence from samba that also comes from Angola, and also other musical styles in Angola, and zouk. Zouk originally does not come from Africa, it comes from the French Antillians, and one of the most, well, I would just say the most famous zouk band in history, called Kassa, like the potato, they came to Africa, and since then they changed the entire continent, because they influenced so many musicians with their rhythm, with their groove, with their feeling, with their everything that they brought with them, and that also influenced many musicians in Angola, Eduardo Paim included, and many more, to create something different, something new. And nowadays what we have with